My child, I know you have been holding back your voice. You stay quiet to keep the peace. You stay silent to avoid rejection, to protect yourself from conflict, to survive. You swallow your truth and tell yourself it is not worth speaking. But your silence has been costing you your peace. I did not give you a voice so you could bury it. It matters what I placed inside you, even if it makes others uncomfortable. Speaking for yourself is not cruelty. Setting boundaries is not selfishness. Telling the truth is not rebellion. I created you to be your true self, and it is your calling to live that truth. Stop shrinking yourself to fit places you have already outgrown. Stop dimming your light so others can remain comfortable in the dark. The right people will not be threatened by your honesty. They will recognize it. They will be drawn to it. Stand, speak, and be who I called you to be.